Hello, this is Arjun from FTC Team 16072, the Quantum Quacks, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use a MyBlock and what benefits it gives you. So over here, I have a gyrostate. So as you can see, we have the MyBlock setup right here, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So all this would be is our code. So if I just copy this and paste it into a new project, it's just like this. So this would be like the code that you want to make into a MyBlock. So in order to make this gyrostate into an actual MyBlock, you need to you need to first of all select everything, not including comment blocks or the play button. So I've selected all of my code, and now I go to Tools and I click on MyBlock Builder. So once I click on MyBlock Builder, you can choose to name it. So since this is a gyrostate, we're obviously going to be naming it gyrostate. And you can't have any spaces in it, so that's one thing. So I can just set a description, go straight using gyro, and I can choose a icon. So I can add parameters right here. So basically what I can do with parameters is I can set each to a specific value. So in this case, I would need to have three parameters. So this one is gonna be called speed or power. You can change it so that it has a slider. So you can also change what data type it is. Since speed is a number, we're gonna keep that number, and you can choose a specific icon for it. So we're just gonna make speed this, and for our next parameter, this needs to be called target angle. So this is the angle that you want the gyro to be detecting when you're driving straight. And since the target angle needs to be a number, you can leave that at as is, and you can just choose an icon for the parameter. And for this one, this is going to be our sensitivity. With the sensitivity, you're going to want to experiment a little bit, but I find, because it varies between robots, but I find that having a sensitivity of 1.5 is a good balance between speed and accuracy. So for sensitivity, we can just put this one. And once we hit finish, these should show up. So for speed, you want to drag this to the speed parameter. For target angle, you're gonna put this in the target angle parameter, and for sensitivity, you're gonna put that in the sensitivity parameter. And once you're done with that, you can just save your program, and this should show up as a MyBlock now. So if I open up a new program, I can head over to MyBlocks, and I see our gyrostate MyBlock with our exact same parameters. So you can select the power that you want from anywhere from negative 100 to 100, target angle, and your gain. So that's how you would create a MyBlock. Of course, it will vary between what you want yours to do. And yeah. So now I'm going to talk about why MyBlocks are useful. So if you have MyBlocks, you can make your programs MyBlocks, which is what we did here. So we have all of our runs set up into this, and with your programs as MyBlocks, you can make your robot runs more efficient and faster by shaving off a few seconds of switching between programs. And with MyBlocks, you can also make your sensors more accurate. You can use your sensors for different purposes. So in the previous part of this video, in the previous few minutes of this video, I showed you how to make a gyrostate, which basically use the gyro sensor to keep your robot moving in a perfectly straight line. So they can be very helpful in that way, in when you have a long string of code that you don't want to keep repeating. And for now, that is it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or video ideas, you can feel free to drop them in the comment section or shoot us an email. We'll be releasing some more Quacktastic videos about stuff like this, so stay tuned. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and follow our socials. Thank you for watching.